to facilitate entry and exit points for all students. I think it's particularly suited for the Philippine context kasi maraming mahihirap. So, yung isang taon sa kolehiyo, that 1 year in college, is a big strain on family resources, no? So, I think we should be seeing in the coming years more of 1 year, maybe a certificate or a diploma course, and then you work, and then you go back to work. I learned that in Ireland, they have entry and exit points at all levels of the higher education experience, no? So, kahit 6 months ka, kahit 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, you can enter and exit the higher educational system, no? And go to work. And as you know, we are undertaking very deep reforms to our educational system, which also explains why hindi na papag-usapan masyado yung TVET education sa Kongreso. But I think definitely I should mention the K-12 program which is being pushed by the government. Just for the information of the body, yung K-12, the only thing that has a law there is the kindergarten. We passed the universal kindergarten bill. It was signed by the President January or February of this year. So that will be fully implemented. That's being fully implemented right now. Yung additional 2 years, the movement from the 10 to 12 year basic educational cycle, we know it's long been overdue, no? But there's no law yet on that. In fact, yun ang pinag-usapan namin. It's a joint referral to the Committee on Basic Education chaired by Susani Escudero and the Committee on Higher and Technical Education chaired by yours truly. And many issues have been raised actually, especially by the colleges. It was mentioned also by Georgie kanina. There are a lot of worries about the entry of 2 more additional years, yung senior high school, no? The first time it will be implemented is 2016, 2017. So some of the universities are worried what happens when we don't have any college freshmen. So I'm sure the worries also for the TVET schools is the same, ano? But unlike the college freshmen, I mean TVET, I don't think your market is exclusively the fresh graduates naman, no? You always have in fact, you also have a large market which are actual graduates from bachelor programs already. And in fact, that number is also in the increase on the up in the US, no? A lot of bachelor degree graduates are going back to take vocational programs. But one of the proposed solutions that we have put forward to Secretary Armin Luistro of the Department of Education is, since there is a classroom shortage, and I think by 2016 there will be a shortage of facilities, because the idea is to let everybody, you have 3 tracks. After you finish junior high school, 4 years of junior high school, you have a number of tracks. Those who want to go to the university track will start taking basic college subjects. Those who want to go to the work track will start taking TVET subjects at may language track din yata. But I think even the DepEd is still unsure of the content of this, and they're working with the coordinating committee of the CHED, the TESDA. So I think it's time to make your voices heard as to what you think should happen in those 2 years, no? Ako,